Federal judge blocks Trump's citizenship order amid constitutional clash and Supreme Court limitation. In a significant judicial rebuke to the Trump administration's hardline immigration agenda, a federal judge has once again halted enforcement of President Donald Trump's controversial executive order aimed at limiting birthright citizenship in the United States. The ruling comes in the wake of a recent Supreme Court decision curbing the use of nationwide injunction, marking a pivotal moment in the tug-of-war between the judiciary and the executive branch over constitutional interpretation. U.S. Judge Joseph Laplante, presiding in Concord, New Hampshire, granted class action status to a lawsuit filed by immigrant rights group representing potentially impacted newborns and their families. His decision allows a renewed nationwide injunction against the policy, asserting that the potential stripping of U.S. citizenship from children born on American soil constitutes irreparable harm. Trump's executive directive, signed during his return to office in January, would deny automatic citizenship to US born children unless at least one parent is an American citizen or lawful permanent resident. Critics, including Democratic led states and immigration advocacy groups, estimate that the policy could defranchise over 150,000 newborns annually. The U.S. Department of Justice defended the order, arguing it aligns with the Constitution's intent and challenging the validity of class action certification. Government attorneys claim that the plaintiffs' immigration statutes were too varied to be grouped under a single class action, warning that an injunction now would short circuit established judicial procedures. The ruling unfolds just days after the Supreme Court, in a 6-3 decision authored by Justice Amy Coney Barrett, ruled to curtail the use of universal injunction, sweeping court orders that apply beyond the plaintiffs directly involved in the case. However, the majority opinion left a critical opening. Class action lawsuits may still be used to secure nationwide relief in cases affecting a broad population. Laplante leaned to exception, stating that the Supreme Court had clearly pointed to class certification as more appropriate legal path. The Supreme Court suggested a class action is a better option. He noted, adding, the depriving children of citizenship due to bureaucratic maneuvering is a risk too great to tolerate. Judge Laplante has stayed his ruling for 7 days to allow the federal government time to appeal. A formal written decision is expected imminently. If allowed to stand, the injunction could further complicate the Trump administration's ability to unilaterally reshape immigration law via execution action, especially under increasing scrutiny from both the courts and civil society.